Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today guys, we are going to replace the front engine mount of this 2003 Pontiac Vibe. It is the same to Corolla and also Matrix, Toyota Matrix. So guys, the location of the front engine mount is right there. That's the one. So it has one bolt on the side and a couple bolts underneath. And also guys, I already put my jack stand or floor jack with the wood on the oil pan. So now it's ready to go guys. We're just gonna remove those bolts. So join me today guys and let's repair some car. So guys, we are using number 14 millimeter socket, using my 3/8, and just twist it. Okay. Let's do it slowly. Okay. It's not really that tight guys. I think this is also 38 foot-pounds. I don't. Let me check my manual. So now I'm using my cordless. All right. Now it's loose. So guys, there is a nut on that bolt that hold it, so then just pull it. So let's put it back so we won't lose it. Now let's go underneath. So guys, we are here underneath, and I think there are only like 2 bolts in here, right there. I hope you could see it. So on the hole right there. So that's also number 14. Okay, so there you go. Just 2 bolts. Alright guys, let's remove this. Whoopsie. Go. Come on. There you go. That's the front one, and this is the new one. So let's compare it. Seems like they're the same. Okay, so guys, the way I put back this is like this. Right there, and slowly go. It's almost there. So guys, I need to hand. So there you go guys, it's already in. Now let's put back the bolt. So guys, I put the thread locker. So it's up to you guys if you want to put some thread locker on. But for me, I like to put some thread locker on. So guys, just align it and then put this on. So now guys, do a hand tight first. Don't torque it yet. So the bolt is in. There's the nut. Now let's go underneath. So same thing with this guys. I would like to put some thread locker. I'm using Permatex thread locker gel. Okay. So guys, let's start with hand tight. And now we can use my cordless. Oops, slap. So guys, now torque this one. It says on the manual it's 47. Anyway, I put a thread locker on, so it's overkill. So same thing in here guys. There you go. .47 foot-pounds, and it has a thread locker on, so it's really safe and tight. So there you go guys, that's how you replace a front engine mount for 2003 Pontiac Vibe, the same with the Toyota Corolla and Toyota Matrix. So guys, if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.